Hey guys, in this video I'll guide you how to make money with the Amazon Associate program. Step to sign up and tips to maximize your Amazon affiliate income. It's no secret that Amazon is a pioneer in ebooks and expanding opportunities for indie authors, but Amazon also lead the way in online affiliate marketing. In 1996, Amazon was a small online book retailer run from Jeff Bezos' garage. With a limited marketing budget, Amazon decided to tap into readers' love of books to help spread the word. Instead of having an initial outlay of money to buy advertising, Amazon paid people a commission when they referred buying customer to Amazon. This commission was paid after the customer bought, eliminating upfront marketing costs. When the Amazon Associate program launched in 1998, there were not many easy, affordable way for budding internet entrepreneurs to make money online. Amazon affiliate program changed that. The only problem was that making any significant income as an Amazon affiliate required selling a ton of books. Fortunately, as Amazon has expanded its product line, the ability to make income from Amazon has become easier. Amazon still has a fairly low payout compared to the other affiliate program. 1% to 10% depending on the products. But with a vast product line, huge customer base, and credibility, odds are that you can find something to promote to and make money. Like any other home based money making scheme, earning an income with Amazon required research, work, and marketing. Here are some tips for maximize the Amazon Associate Program. Pro of become an Amazon affiliate. There are several great reasons to join the Amazon Associate Program include Amazon is a highly visited, well-known name that people use and trust every day. It's free to join. There are no traffic. There should our metric you need to be captured into the program. There are tons and tons of product you can promote. Amazon has many tools to help you sell specific items or category of items. There is a good reporting system. You know what getting clicks and what selling. You can receive direct deposit payment into your bank account. Amazon offer good customer service to its buyer, so you reduce the risk of having your visitor get mad at if they have a problem with the product. Even if your visitor doesn't buy the product you referred, if they buy something on that visit, you earn a commission. Cons of the Amazon Associate Program. Nothing is ever perfect, including the Amazon Affiliate Program. Here are few downside. The commission rate is relatively low compared to the other affiliate program. 1% to 10% depending on the items. It offers flat rate for the bounty program such as $15 for business account sign-ups, 3S for prime referrals, and 5S for audioable referrals. Their cookies only last 24 hours. That means if your referral doesn't buy within 24 hours, you won't get credit. However, if the product is added to their cart, the cookies lasts 69 days. You are not allowed to send Amazon affiliate links in email. that include blog posts that get sent an email. Since email is an excellent way to send great offers to buyer readers, this rule is practically disappointing. If you have a US site and are promoting product in the Amazon US store, you won't get credit for referring someone who ends up buying the product from outside the country. Amazon.uk payment option are only through direct deposit check for our Amazon gift card. There are no PayPal option. Why to promote your Amazon affiliate links? Here are different ways you can promote your Amazon links. Blogging is probably the most common way affiliate make money with the Amazon associate program. Some bloggers have journal topic site and use a variety of affiliate program and the monetization options. Other bloggers have a niche site. Social media, you can use social media to share your blog content with affiliate links, or you can directly share your affiliate links. Note that you should give an indication that the link is an affiliate link when you post, to be transparent and don't not annoy your followers. YouTube videos, you can offer much of the some type of content on videos as you can on a blog, such as reviews. The advantages of video for program getting income is that you can give tutorial towards and other visual content. Lead management and email, many successful affiliate marketers have basic two-page website and an email marketing system that does their affiliate promotion on autopilot to make passive income. Add Amazon offer to your existing business. You can promote Amazon product as part of your other business offering to create an additional income stream. Getting set up as an Amazon affiliate. Getting started with the Amazon Associate program is free and easy. Here is how. Sign up by visiting Amazon. Be sure read the rules, determine the products you want to promote, decide where you are going to promote the product you choose, build traffic, make product recommendation fit with your website topic, choose product carefully, include multiple links and linkable photos in your content. If you are blogger, don't forget to include a disclosure that the link is an affiliate link. Maximize sale and your Amazon affiliate income. And then helping the market find your situations.